Welcome to this clip on using geoboards to represent decimal numbers. In this clip, we're going to look at how to represent a decimal other than 1/10 or 1/100th. Let's divide the geoboard into 4 equal pieces. What is the size of one of those pieces? 1/4. But how do we write this as a decimal? Well, let's count how many hundredths are in 1/4. 100th, 200ths, 300ths, 400ths, 500ths, 600ths, all the way down to 25 hundredths. There are 25 hundredths in 1/4. That's 25 out of 100 tiny squares that we have selected from our whole. Because remember that the entire geoboard represents one whole. Now let's write that as a decimal. That's 25 hundredths, which is equal to 1/4 of the whole. Have your printed geoboard worksheet handy for this next part of the clip. If you don't have it, you might want to pause and get it now. You're going to divide one of your geoboards into 5 equal pieces. How many hundredths do you count in each piece? Pause the clip while you figure it out and hit play when you're ready. Let's see now. I've divided my geoboard into 5 equal pieces. I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 hundredths in each of my pieces. Now let's write that down as a decimal. That's 20 hundredths. You may have written it like this. This denotes 2/10ths, which we know is equivalent to 20 hundredths. Let's do another example. Use your worksheet to divide another geoboard into 2 equal pieces and count how many tenths and how many hundredths you have in one of those pieces. Write both down as decimals. Pause this clip while you do that and hit play when you're ready. Here we have 2 equal pieces. How many hundredths did you count? You should have 50. That's written as 50 hundredths. How many tenths did you count? You should have 5. This is written as 5 tenths. So, 5 tenths is equal or equivalent to 50 hundredths. Hopefully you have seen what a useful tool geoboards are in helping your students to build fluency in understanding decimals, particularly the relationship between hundredths and tenths. As we've seen, 20 hundredths is equivalent to 2/10ths, and 50 hundredths is equivalent to 5/10ths.